Okay, here's what you do to add your works cited page to your essay. Go to Google, then go to EasyBib. And you log into your account, My Projects, Bibliography. It should show up down here. You want to export, print as Word document, download for MS Word, citation export 5A, opening. Your works cited page appears. You want to enable editing. You want to copy your works cited page as it is, exactly as it appears. It is done for you. Copy. Minimize, minimize. Go to your paper. Oops, sorry. Go to the next clean page and paste. It should be on the next clean page. Make it a whole page all by itself. Then you save it. And the final document with all of your research and your essay plus your works cited page is what you should submit to Schoology. And that's all you do. Easy as pie. Now for some reason my thing seems to disappear when I do this.